Hi guys, welcome back to my Dollrman channel. I am so happy to be here with another wonderful unboxing. My credit card might not be as happy, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna sell some things. I don't know. It's been a rough situation trying to kind of approach in my head, okay, which are the babies you absolutely need? Which ones could you sell? Like, I know you guys have probably been in this boat before, but I feel like I am at the point where the doll room's getting pretty full. I've got them around the house as well, and probably gonna have to let some babies go soon. So that's a little bit hard always, but if you're gonna keep collecting and bringing new ones in, which we love to do as collectors, right, we have to sometimes let some go. So I'm gonna have to face that difficult decision, I think, tonight. And every time I say I'm gonna do it, I have trouble actually making myself do it. So I'm gonna try to pick a couple out. Oh, it's so hard. But anyway, I'm here, as you can see, with a box from Babyland again. I'm so excited. When I was in Sedona last week, I found a baby on the .com that I loved. I was looking for one with that gray, truly thick yarn hair in a double pony, because I had seen one a while back that I didn't go ahead and adopt, and I have regretted it ever since. I saved her picture. I've been looking at her and wanting one that looked similar. So I saw this little girl and I thought she had the most adorable little face. So I'm gonna show her to you in just a moment. She's in the box. I started to pre-cut the tape, not all the way, so we can rip her on out and see how she looks. The outfit is cute, but it's not my personal taste. It's a very bright green and like it has a watermelon on the front. So it's a cute outfit. My daughter loves the outfit when I showed it to her in the picture, but I think I'm probably gonna want to do an outfit change on her eventually, but I'm gonna show her to you guys. And then I also have another package I wanted to show you. I ordered a couple of cute outfits. I can't even remember what I got, but I have the bag here. It just came at the same time from Oshkosh Carter's website. So I ordered a couple things from there, so we'll see what I have in that as well. So let's take a look and see how this baby looks. I'm so excited. Okay, here she is. Oh, look at her. She's like, her outfit is very summery looking, which is great. So I might leave her in it for a bit and then eventually, you know, find a cute dress or some, maybe it could be what I got from this Oshkosh order. I might put her in, I think it's like maybe some overalls or something. I have a few in overalls. I love that look on them. But let's take a look at this cutie. Take off the bubble wrap. So she's from the .com, so she's in one of the clear plastic bags. And I changed her name because I was in Sedona when we found her on the .com. We were in the hotel room and I was browsing, of course. I decided to change her name to Sedona Lucille. Originally, it was going to be, look at her, she's so cute. It was going to be originally, her name was Lucy Stella, and I was thinking of changing it to Stella Lucille, which I liked. I thought she looked like a Stella with the gray hair, right? But I love Sedona and I had wanted to name one of the babies Sedona, and I figured since I found her while up in Sedona, it would be perfect. Sedona is known for the rock, the red rock, but to me it looks pink. When you look at the sky, especially at sunset time, it looks pink and beautiful. The rocks are pink, the sky is pink at sunset. I think pink when I think of Sedona. So I'm probably gonna wanna put her in a pink dress of some sort. And again, this is the second time while I'm filming a video, the doorbell rang. So I don't know what package that is. What else did I order? I can't even remember at this point. But I apologize if you hear my dogs bark a little bit. They go a little bit crazy when the doorbell rings. But anyway, since I found this baby while I was up in Sedona, I said I'm gonna give her the name. And because her first name was already Lucy, I thought it was significant because when you go on the tours in Sedona, Arizona, if you go on any of those paid tours, they'll always take you by this really cool greenhouse up on a hill in the Red Rock. And they tell you this house was originally owned by Lucille Ball. And there's even basically a dummy out on the balcony of the house. The current owners have a dummy that looks like Lucille Ball because it's got flaming red hair out on the balcony. So when you drive by, you see the greenhouse up on the hill with the fake Lucy out there on the balcony, and it's pretty cool. So there's that little bit of history there too. And her name was Lucy, originally from Babyland. So I decided to call her Sedona Lucille. So she's going to be Sedona Lucille. That is her name if you see her name tag, Sedona Lucille. So here's the outfit. It is adorable. I mean, I'm just not really this color green person, but I mean, she does look really cute in it because she's so stinking adorable anyway. She could kind of get away with any look, probably. So for her, I did do the double dimples, triple dimples basically, including the chin dimple that runs in the family, as you can see mine. And she's got the freckles too. I just thought that would look adorable. She reminds me, her face reminds me a lot of Desilu, if you saw my video with Desilu. I love Desilu. I don't know, I've got this bond with her. I don't know if it's because she's my namesake, but there's something about her. I had looked at her on the .com for so long before finally getting her, and she sat up there for so long, and I finally was like, I have to get this baby. And so I'm so glad that I did. And now this girl, I mean, I just think she's so adorable. She's got this thick, truly yarn hair, these big bushy ponytails, which I do have another baby that has the thick ones, and that is, she's right up here. You guys can't see her on camera, but her name is Claire Lila. And she was in my first unboxing of my first 4 babies. She's got the thick red truly yarn double ponies, and she's adorable. She's got green eyes. And so, and also if you see in the background on the shelf back behind me on the top of the white shelf, you can see my 2 CCE Mocha girls. The one with the turquoise hair, kind of tealish turquoise hair, is the one that I got most recently. And that one, her name is escaping me. I'm just blanking, which I was just saying her name before to my daughter. So, because I didn't pick this name. Oh, it's Barbara Alice. Barbara Alice. She's only been here a short time, guys, so still learning the names. So that's Barbara Alice. And then my other Mocha CCE with the red hair has a very unique hairdo. She's got a mixture of regular yarn and the truly yarn. The other Mocha girl with the red hair, and I now have her in gray overalls with like a tie-dye onesie under there and some orange sneakers. She looks adorable. It matches her red hair. But that is Simone Roberta. These names are escaping me. Simone Roberta, which I did name her. And she does have the truly yarn too. So it's mixed with the truly yarn and the regular in her hair, since, you know, she's kind of got more of a unique hairstyle since she's a CCE. And then, you know, I have some of my other cuties back there too. Oh, I love them. I love looking at them. But anyway, this video is about this little girl, and this one is Sedona Lucille. So I probably eventually am going to get her a pink dress. Like I've said before, when I got Desilu, I was going to recreate her outfit a little bit to give it that baby pink gray combo with the white dress, and I think that looks so cute. And I even ended up crocheting her a sweater that's baby pink and gray, and it looks so cute with it. So I probably will want something similar for her because she's already got this grayish tone hair, and something kind of more pink with a little bit of gray accents is what I have envisioned for her ultimately at some point, but we'll see. She's got pearl earrings, guys, by the way. I requested earrings. They gave her pearls. I've had a lot of babies with pearls recently. They look lovely. She looks so much like Desilu's sister, though. Oh my gosh, as I'm looking at her face, so cute. That face sculpt, though, is so similar to Desilu. My daughter always says, you like Desilu the best, don't you? You know, you're not supposed to have favorites, but there's some that you just know, I don't think I'll ever let this baby go. This is a forever baby, you know. Others are like, you just don't bond with them quite as much. You love them. They're beautiful. But there's some that you always kind of just can't help but look at and they tug at the heartstrings. So let's look at the rest of her outfit, guys. She's got these big, pretty green bows to match her outfit. She's got a pretty watermelon with flowers. She's got these cute little sneakers. Look at them. They're adorable, guys. Let's take a look at her all the way around. You can see her big ponies in the back. I'm gonna have to do a couple little trims on those two pieces, but they look pretty good overall. So there she is. That's Sedona Lucille. So love her. Now let's quickly, you know, take a look at the other things. We've got her papers here too. I don't always show these because I've shown them before, and if you have these babies, you kind of know what these look like, but some of you might not. So here's Sedona Lucille's birth certificate. And then they also give you the adoption papers, which that does have all your personal information typically too, as the new parent. So I'm going to cover up my address, but you can pick your own birth date if you want for them. I didn't pick a birth date this time because I've picked a lot of special birth dates for some of the kids recently. And I kind of like them having the birth date of when I actually got them too, if I don't have a significant date in mind that I want to give them, you know. So I'm gonna put these in my special CCE binder. If you saw that video in my library on the CCE binder that I got. So those will go in there. And then I'll quickly just show you these outfits that I got, guys. Let's take a quick look. We got some stuff from Oshkosh and Carter's website. So we've got this cute little overall dress. Oh no, this is not a dress. This is overall. They call these short alls, I've noticed, guys. Short alls. So these are called short alls. That sounds funny when you say it. So cute. So that's gonna look cute. I like that because you could put on a boy or a girl doll. So that's good. I do have a pair of short alls on Olivia Danielle in the back. She's by the CCEs with the red hair. And Simone's wearing short alls in gray. And then I have a baby in my bedroom that has very similar, but it's got a skirt on the bottom and it looks adorable. Then I ordered this. It's kind of short alls as well. I'm kind of in that mood, but this is not shorts. This is actually a skirt, so I forgot. And I thought this would look lovely on Barbara Alice with the turquoise hair. I thought this might look pretty with her, with the colors. And this is the shirt that goes with that. Well, it's actually a onesie. So I think it'll look pretty cute on them. And if you guys are ever shopping for baby clothes for these guys, they recommend the 3 to 6 month range. If the clothes are not in that range of 3 to 6, if you have to choose 3 months or 6 months, I have chosen 3 months and have been lucky that it typically fits. Not always, especially when you're ordering online. Sizes are sometimes off, but I found 3 months works pretty well for them. But they recommend from Babyland, when I asked Nurse Denise by email, she said 3 to 6 months for the baby clothes when you're buying for these guys, for the full-size 22-inch kids. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop back on to show you what was at the door when that doorbell rang during the video. It was this pretty little AA Play Along Girl back to school set that I've been waiting for. I got an amazing deal on her on OfferUp. I was so excited for her to arrive. She'll be joining. I have another set like that. I had been trying so long to get one, and I've had her a little while now, and I was so happy to be able to get this girl too. She's just so cute. Oh my gosh, with the little hand raised, the apple on the desk, the little schoolgirl outfit. I love it. So I have to find a spot. As you can see, you know, it's getting a little bit crowded in here. So there's a little space for a shelf over there under those redheads, right? Over my anniversary kids. But I'll also show you, I got this pretty little, I don't think I've shown you this girl yet. She's a pretty little Jesmar. So she's new. I just got her within the last week. And I have a couple more things coming. before my total self-imposed cabby ban really goes into effect. I mean, I think the only way to really be successful with that is if I just don't look anymore, because if I look and I see a great deal, you know it's an amazing deal on a baby, it's really hard to pass it up. So yeah, I might have to stay off those sites for a bit because I have some things that I need to save for, like trips and things. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show her to you. Her name is Agatha. It looks like Amalie or Amelie. I don't know. It's an interesting little name there. Agatha Amelie, I guess, is the name. So her name is Agatha. So I'll have to try to see if I can make room for her over here with her sister, which is Kayla Tyler. They're just adorable. And this, again, is my online teaching classroom / doll room. So it really is a perfect fit to have the little schoolgirl sets. I love them. So thank you again, guys, for joining me here in the doll room. As always, checking out my new cabbies. Now I have the hard task of picking babies that I might want to adopt out. Oh, it's going to be hard. Anyway, guys, have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for joining me. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.